Hello, I'm Kelly Murdock. I'm the author of this book. And with these videos, we'll just show and introduce the different parts that come in the book. So the first part is about getting started. Chapter 1 is going to cover exploring the interface. Chapter 2 is controlling and configuring the viewports. And Chapter 3 is all your file stuff, importing and exporting. So to start with, we're going to cover the interface for the application. From the initial look, the interface is pretty intimidating, but there are some common elements like these menus up here at the top and the main toolbar. On the right, you'll find this section called the command panel. It's got all these different panels that have the settings for the different features that you will use. The main four sections in the middle here are viewports, and those are covered in Chapter 2. Here at the bottom, you'll have the animation tools. There's the timeline here, all the different frames. The animation controls are here, and here in the right bottom corner are the viewport navigation controls. Chapter 2 gets into the viewports. You can control and configure the viewports using the Views menu up here, or you can use the label menus up here at the top of each viewport. If you click on these, you can see different controls and different settings. There is the point of view label command that's got the different views that you can use. There's also standards for the shading methods and how you want your objects to look in the viewport. The file menu controls are all up here in the file menu, including how to save and open and work with different files. You can also use the various import and export options to interface your file with different packages. If you come up here to the Customize menu, you'll find the Preferences menu option, which opens the Preference Settings dialog box. Here you can set the preferences for all the different features found in the software. So with these chapters, you should be well on your way to getting started, and then we'll move on from there.